In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade the gear bench in Arc Raiders. Upgrading the gear bench is a simple process once you know where to look, and it's well worth doing because higher bench levels let you craft and improve more advanced gear. Let's walk through it together from the in-game menus so you can follow along without confusion. Start by heading to Speranza, which is your main hub. From that screen, look to the top of the interface and click the Workshop tab. This is where all your crafting and upgrades live. Inside Workshop, select the gear bench. You'll see its interface with several tabs across the top. One of those tabs is labeled Level Up. Click that Level Up tab to open the upgrade panel for the bench itself. Here, the game shows you exactly what materials you need for the next bench level and whether you already have them in your inventory or stash. If the Level Up button is grayed out, it means you're short on something. If it's active, you're good to go. Make sure you've got enough of each required component before you try to confirm. According to the official progression info, the requirements are straightforward. To upgrade the gear bench to level 2, you need 3 power cables, 5 electrical components, and 5 Hornet drivers. Once you have those, click Level Up to confirm, and the bench advances to level 2. For level 3, you'll need 3 industrial batteries, 5 advanced electrical components, and 6 bastion cells. Again, when you've gathered those, return to the same Level Up tab and confirm the upgrade. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Always double-check your stash as well as your on-hand inventory, since materials stored away still count toward the requirement in most workshop screens. If you're short on a component, keep an eye out while you're playing, looting containers, and completing activities. These items drop naturally as you progress. Many items in the game also show hints on where they can be found when you hover over them, so use that to guide your farming without guesswork. It's also a good habit to salvage or dismantle extra gear you don't need, which can indirectly help you gather crafting parts over time. Once your bench is upgraded, you'll immediately see new crafting options or improved limits become available in the same workshop area. And remember, you can always come back to the gear bench, open the Level Up tab, and check what's needed for the next tier whenever you're ready. That's all there is to it. Go to Speranza, open Workshop, select Gear Bench, click Level Up, and provide the listed resources for Level 2 and Level 3. Happy upgrading, and enjoy the power boost.